How to use a Sainsbury e-gift card. So if you want to use a Sainsbury's e-gift card, then here's the following process. So in-store e-gift cards can be redeemed from a smartphone device or printed and taken into the store. Product exclusions will be applied after each use in store. Any remaining balance on the e-gift card will be printed on a receipt. It is the recipient's responsibility to retain the receipt as evidence for their outstanding balance. There is no limit to the number of e-gift cards that can be used per transaction, but e-gift cards cannot exceed of total 250 euros per transaction. And to convert it, select the matching 8 digits from your unique e-gift card numbers from the drop-down menu and enter the remaining digits in and PIN at checkout. If a valid card number and PIN has been used, you will be asked to manually enter how much you wish to convert. If you convert only a part of your e-gift card balance, you will be asked to provide your valid card number and PIN on future conversions. Once converted, your outstanding balance will be held online and can be found in your coupon wallet at checkout. And you can also have some exclusions that are right here. You can simply check out the exclusions, which is branded gift cards, all lottery related products, and everything like travel money and everything. And then if you want to go with full gift card terms and conditions, you can simply go with click here option. So that's how you can use a Sainsbury e-gift card. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.